Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to the Zero to Hero Trader YouTube channel and welcome to our tutorial video series on how to use the Thinkorswim platform. And before we get started, make sure that you like and subscribe down below. Be sure that you get notified when we post another video. This series is really for traders who are new to the Thinkorswim platform and want to learn how to use it to their advantage to make their trading easier. So let's jump right into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and edit studies to your Thinkorswim charts.
Zero to hero trader, learn to trade in no time. Watch our videos and be sure to subscribe.
Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to add studies to your charts like these. So in this chart set I've got 3 studies on. I've got a MACD and I've got 2 exponential moving averages on here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to add studies now. I want to add another exponential moving average, and we're going to do an 89 exponential moving average. So if you want to add a study, we're going to go right up here to the little flask, right here at the top right, and we're going to type in, I want an exponential moving average. So I'll just type in EXP. It's this one right here, move average exponential. And I want to change the length. So that's going to be this number right here. I'm going to go to the little wheel, change the length. I want to make that an 89. And we want to do price on close, no displacement, and I don't really want to put anything in for the breakout signals. And for the color, I just want to change it to, let's do something that'll stand out. So let's do an orange. A little darker, there we go. And I want to make the width a little more wide. And the style, let's do a dot, see what that looks like. There we go. Okay, so that's my 89 moving average, exponential moving average. Now let's say if we want to change something on this MACD down here. Okay, so this is how you're going to edit something. And I just kind of showed you how to edit it when I added this one here. I just added it before I added it, but let's say we want to change something on this MACD down here. We'll go back into the settings for studies, go down here to MACD. Let's say I want to change the color on this histogram. Alright, so we'll find where those are, and they're right here. And let's say I want to make some of those yellow, make this blue, and we'll make this one, let's see, a teal color. Let's see what that looks like. And there we go. That's how you edit your studies, okay? Now you notice how I've got some studies that show up on the price chart and some studies that show up down below. Okay? So you can put these wherever. If you want to put them down below, you can just drag them down. You can see what that looks like. Now that's not very helpful, of course, because that's a moving average on the bottom. But it is something that you can do. Okay? I hope this was helpful to you. If you liked the video, please leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the alert bell to get notified when we drop another video. And please, if you like the video, drop it down in the comments. Let me know how you like to do your charts. Alright guys, I will see you in the next one.